Well, from improving the outside of your home to saving money inside your home, Clarke and Rush has energy savings information that all homeowners will want to hear. And Mark Tyne joins me now with great news about the SMUD Home Performance Program. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Melissa.
How are you doing? Good, thanks. It's always great to have you on the show.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell us about the SMUD Home Performance Program. How can people benefit from this?
Well, this program was put together with Energy Upgrade California and the utility companies, and they really have had a great response throughout the year. Things are starting to wind down, and SMUD's kind of really wants to get the message out. This $9,000 in rebates, we need to act now.
And that's a lot of money for people to take advantage of.
Yeah.
So have people been taking advantage of this program so far?
Yeah, we've seen thousands of homes being retrofitted with this home performance and taking advantage of this $9,000. SMUD hasn't quite hit their target number, but we're really on a short rope right now. SMUD's given some deadlines for us to kind of get in and get these homeowners in, so I think your viewers really should take this opportunity now and try to get in this program.
Okay, so the clock is ticking is the main point for today.
Mm-hmm.
So if people want to take advantage of these rebates, how do they start?
Oh, well, they need to give us a call. Mm-hmm. We want to set up an assessment of the home. It's done by a third-party rater. This is a $500 value, but working with SMUD and Clarke and Rush, we're offering it to your customers at no charge.
Okay, and then so how does the assessment work?
Well, it's a process of evaluating the entire home. We look at things, and there's a film clip I think we might have brought with us today that shows.
Yes, I think we're looking at it right now.
Oh, okay, yeah. So what we want to do is measure all the windows and doors, get the square footage of the home, and we also go through this pretty big process of pressurizing the home. You see the technician coming out of the attic, looking at the insulation and the ducting. Now they're going to do a pressure test on the home, and this will point out areas of the home that's leaking energy, cracks and crevices, areas of the home maybe around can lighting, bath fans, hoods in the kitchen. This is really important for the homeowner to participate in. You really learn a lot about your home. In this particular case, there's been a lot of energy lost through the fireplace. And you can see they're illustrating it with the smoker. So once we pressurize the house, then we go ahead and check the duct system. And a lot of homeowners will have inconsistency with their airflow in their house. And they think it might be just for one reason or another, but in a lot of cases it has to do with disconnected, crushed ductwork. Maybe some rodents got in there. I mean, there's a lot of reasons. And this whole process really exposes all that.
Okay, so then after they get the test, then what?
We would meet back with the homeowner, go over the recommendations that came out of this report, and discuss with them what measures they might be considering doing, and the rebates are kind of commensurate to those improvements. Okay,
so then you make these suggestions for improvements, but that may itself cost the homeowner a little bit of cash. But I understand you do have financing to help with those improvements so they can do the rebates.
Yeah, for a very limited time. There was some grant money available, 3%. They will finance the entire process. And today we're still working in that program, but again, your viewers really need to kind of react to this because everything is kind of coming to an end. Yes,
and then in order to get the rebate though, do the home improvements need to take place in order for them to actually get the full rebate?
Well, this is what's nice about this program. The homeowners, after the evaluation, they can actually pick and choose which improvements they'd like to do. So for example, maybe they want to upgrade their appliances, a roof, replace their duct system, go ahead and put in attic or wall insulation, and heating and air, windows. These are some of the big improvements. So if you're planning on staying in the home, we're seeing homeowners that they know the economy is the way it is, they know they can't move, and so this is a great opportunity to upgrade their home and take advantage of that, both the financing and the rebates.
Okay, and if people want to get started, how do they find you?
They can give us a call, Clarke and Rush, 609-2665, or visit us on the web. We'd be glad to set up their assessment and get them going on that path.
All right, thank you so much. And like you mentioned, the clock is ticking, so take advantage of this now. Great way to start your new year. Also save some money, and you mentioned improve your home, which we all want to do.
Yeah, and this is really, the deadline is really kind of close, so we're just telling people take advantage of it while it's still there.